But all of that will have to wait because we need to pay our attention to the front of the car. Right now we're removing all the under trays to see if there's any damage to the engine or any leaks. But all looks good. So now I'm back onto the radiator pack and the crash bar at the front. We've got to remove this broken crash bar out the way. Whoa! And now I can access the radiator pack. This is the aircon condenser here. Behind it is a cooler for something else, and behind that is the cooler for the engine. What we're trying to do is take this off without taking the pipes off, so we can move this out of the way of the other pipes. That's because it's got aircon gas in it, and if we take the aircon gas out, we're gonna have to pay for it to go back in. So we're trying to preserve that, save money, and also save us time.
And the environment.
And the environment. So we've got to slide it off, but it's a bit of a challenge. It'd be a lot easier just to lose the aircon gas, but you're not supposed to let it out in the environment. You can get a fine for that. And
it's quite bad.
Yeah, but we might be doing it in a minute.
Luckily, we didn't have to because we managed to get the aircon condenser and the pipes away from the car.